When it comes to electric vehicles (EVs), many drivers might wonder, can you repair your EV by yourself? The truth is that fixing an EV isn't as straightforward as repairing a traditional car. These vehicles are packed with complex electronics, and the specialized components that make EVs so efficient and eco-friendly also make them challenging to work on. In this video, we're going to break down what you can and can't do yourself when it comes to EV maintenance, and when it's best to leave things to the professionals. Let's start with what you can do. Like traditional cars, basic maintenance tasks such as changing tires, replacing windshield wiper blades, and topping up washer fluid are straightforward and don't require specialized knowledge. These are DIY tasks that most car owners can easily handle at home with the right tools. But beyond these simple tasks, things get more complicated. EVs have fewer moving parts than gas-powered cars, but their components like the electric motor and battery are much more sensitive and often require specific tools and training to maintain properly. For example, the high-voltage battery system in an EV is not something you want to tinker with on your own. Attempting to repair or replace an EV battery without proper training is not only dangerous, but it can also void your warranty or cause expensive damage to the vehicle. Likewise, issues related to the drivetrain or electric motor are best left to professionals with the right diagnostic tools and expertise. EVs operate on systems that require specialized diagnostic equipment that are usually only available at certified service centers or dealerships. That said, you can still do a lot to keep your EV running smoothly between trips to the dealership. Regularly checking the health of your tires and brakes is essential, as EVs tend to wear down these components differently compared to traditional cars due to their weight and regenerative braking systems. Keeping an eye on software updates is also crucial, as many EVs can improve their performance or fix bugs through over-the-air updates that manufacturers roll out from time to time. In the end, while basic maintenance like tire changes and software updates are things you can handle yourself, more serious repairs will likely require a trip to a certified EV technician. As EVs become more common, the hope is that repair shops will become more equipped to handle them. But for now, DIY repairs on your electric vehicle are pretty limited. So, what's your take? Do you think EVs should be easier to repair at home, or is it worth leaving it to the experts? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on more content about EVs, car maintenance, and all things automotive. Thanks for watching.